School, Faridabad.
In this project, we have created an automated solar panel cleaning system, which will help to clean the solar panels carefully, quickly, in line with occupational health and safety requirements, and with the click of a button and comfort of your home. Why is cleaning of a solar panel needed? Cleaning solar panels reduce dust, debris, and other contaminants such as leaves and bugs, etc., preventing reduction in efficiency. But how are solar panels cleaned? Cleaning solar panels is a skill in itself, and at most places, solar panels are cleaned manually.
Disadvantages of manually cleaning the solar panel. It is assembled at a height and is difficult to clean. It takes several hours to be cleaned completely, and the biggest disadvantage is that accidents might happen while cleaning the solar panel manually.
Now I will be telling you about the parts that we have used in the solar panel cleaning system. We have used two pieces of microfiber cloth, as you can see here, Lego Technic and Lego EV3 and NXT. There is an EV3 hub behind this module, which is connected to these two motors and one more motor over here, as you can see, which will turn on the pump, which will send the water through this PVC pipe here, and which will then drop the water into here. And then, while the water is dropping, there's a big axle passing through here, and when the axle rotates, the microfiber cloth will go down and up, which will then clean all this dirt over here, as you can see.
Let us see what happens if we click the button from the comfort of our home. As you can see, the pump will start taking up water and the microfiber cloth will start going up and down as cleaning the solar panel.
Now I will show you the code for this project. In this project, as you can see, we have this entire code. So first, these two blocks at the top will turn on the pump, and then below those, it will take the motor up and down again and again. And between, we have used weight blocks so it does not tangle itself.
We hope you all liked our project. Thank you.